Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a big question. Will AI disrupt your industry in the next 5 years? Spoiler alert, there are no easy answers, but there are some fascinating insights to explore. Artificial intelligence isn't a sci-fi fantasy anymore, it's reality. AI is already transforming sectors like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and education. But as we stand on the brink of this tech revolution, the burning question is, will AI disrupt your industry in the next 5 years? Now, I get it, there's a lot of uncertainty and fear about AI. The idea of machines replacing human workers can be pretty unsettling. The fear of the unknown is real, and many wonder if their skills will become obsolete with AI-driven automation. But here's the thing, it's important to acknowledge these concerns. Will AI replace human workers, or will it augment our abilities and free us up for more creative tasks? The answer isn't clear-cut, and that's fueling the debate around AI's impact on the workforce. One thing's for sure, though, AI isn't going anywhere. It's becoming increasingly evident that AI will be a defining feature of many industries in the coming years. Take healthcare, for example. AI-driven diagnostics and personalized medicine are already making waves. Companies like IBM and Google are investing heavily in AI-powered healthcare solutions that can analyze medical data and spot patterns human doctors might miss. Similarly, the manufacturing sector is seeing AI-powered robots working alongside humans, boosting efficiency and reducing errors. And in finance, AI-driven chatbots are revolutionizing customer service, cutting down the need for human intervention. The trend is clear. AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. Businesses must adapt to these changes to stay ahead of the curve. But the big question remains, will AI disrupt your industry in the next 5 years? It's a complex and multifaceted question with no one-size-fits-all answer. But one thing is certain, AI will be a game changer, and its impact will be felt across various sectors. So what do you think? Will AI disrupt your industry? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on the future of technology. Catch you in the next video. Next.